Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the execute block, which allows you to execute structured text code directly within your ladder logic program. I'll start by adding a new network, then go to the toolbox, then select and drag the execute box. I'll leave the box permanently enabled, and inside this area of the execute block I can write structured text code. For this example, let's declare an integer variable called ivar. Okay, now I'll add some structured text logic inside the execute block. Just click here and it opens up a window so you can edit your code. So the logic will be if ivar is greater or equal to 100, then output 01 becomes true. Otherwise, output 01 becomes false. And this demonstrates the purpose of the execute block. It allows you to embed structured text logic directly inside a ladder logic application. Now, let's test it. Log into the controller. Okay, put it in run mode. And before I test the execute block, I'll go to CPU, open up the integrated I/O mapping menu, split the screen, so we can monitor all the input and output variables. Then organize the columns. As you can see at the moment, output 01 right here is turned off, but if I change ivar to, let's say, 100, the condition becomes true. And as you can see, output 01 turns on. Now let's change ivar to 90. And since 90 is less than 100, the condition evaluates to false, and the output 01 turns off. Finally, let's set ivar to 101. Okay. Now, because the value is now greater than 100, the condition becomes true again, and the output turns on. As you can see, the PLC continuously executes the code contained inside the execute block and updates the output according to the logic defined in structured text. The execute block is very useful when you want to combine the simplicity of ladder logic with the flexibility and expressive power of structured text within the same application. That's it for this video, and I see you on the next one.